Hello, all traders. I'm Baki, your host here from Sabai QT Research, and today we are diving into the world of Tesla stock using our cutting edge Elliott Wave 2.0 model to identify any potential patterns that could provide insights into the stock's future direction. But first, what is Elliott Wave? So, in Elliott, these are the rules that everything starts with an impulse. So, the impulse have to be a 1, a 2, a 3, which the 3 is the biggest, and you will have a 4 and a fifth, where your two corrections are looking similar to each other, and your wave first, let me copy and paste it, and fifth shall be equal in size. So this is the general rule. Let me do the codification for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So after finishing this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 structure, what it needs is a correction. Usually the correction is a very sharp A followed by a very time consuming slow moving B wave, and then you will have a C wave which is also sharp. So usually after getting this 1, 2, 3 impulse, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulse to the upside, you will get a correction consist of three legs, which if you do the codification, it will be an A, a B, and a C. So the rule is that your wave C and A are equal in size and they are sharp. That's the rule for this. But for your wave B, it will be very time consuming. So after finishing this A, B, C, A, B, C, the market should keep going to the upside again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you got the point till here. But sometimes we, instead of getting a 3 leg correction, we'll get a 5 leg correction like this one. Let me show it to you. Like this one, where it will be a W, an X, a Y, another X, and Z. We are in this scenario, and instead of getting a very simple 1, 2, 3, and then go to the upside, this time we will get a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a fifth. Then we will go to the upside. So this is the Bible telling us. So these are the rules. But what I propose as Elliott Wave 2.0 is that you do not have to get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all the time. This impulsive move to the upside can be a simple 1, 2, 3 as well. Or it can be a single sharp move to the upside without any major correction. And then you need at least 3 leg of correction. Usually it's 3 leg, but sometimes it can get extended where your corrections in the W, X, Y, X, Z, which have 5 legs, shall be looking similar, and your wave 1 and fifth, are equal in size as well. Let me do the codification for you guys so you will not be lost. W, X, Y, X. What happened? Let me do it again. W, X, Y, where your y is the largest one or the one without any divergence, x, z, where your two x's are similar in time and in size. So let's go and look at the chart and see what's happening with the Tesla. So in here, starting from the beginning of the chart, uh, 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 starting like from the lowest point, uh, this entire move can be your wave first. This is your second, because this is your largest move to the upside, is your third, followed, followed by a fourth, and this is a fifth. Until now, it's very easy. Let me do the codification. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we see the MACD for divergence. Do we have divergence between these two moves, between 3 and 5? No, we do not have any divergence. Look at this. This is strong growth. This is huge momentum. All it says to me is that by looking at MACD, it simply indicates that a break, a break, a break above this high, this high is eminent. I don't know if the spelling is correct, but it's imminent. It's coming. Is coming, my friends. So this is what Mike tells us. Okay, what do you have next after finishing our one? This, our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's a complete structure by the rules. The correction shall be 3 waves or 5 waves. Let's use MACD to find where are these 5 moves or 3 potential moves. So by looking at the MACD, mm, what do you see in the MACD? We have this green crossover, we have this green crossover. So one of this is your B wave. Let's watch and see which one is your B wave. Is this our B wave or this is our B wave? So for that, the rule is that the B wave consumes a lot of time. Let's see how many days it took to complete this correction. Around 40, maybe less than that, yes. Around 40 days. How about this guy? How many days it took to complete itself? 120 days. This is 40, this is 120 days. So this is your likely B wave. If it is your B wave, which pattern is it? Let's check. I would say that this is your W, X, Y, X, Z, where your two X's are similar in size and the time it consumed. Let's copy, move it. Oh, how to move it? How can I move this? Yes, to here. You see how they're equal. And then if this is a W, X, Y, X, Z, so this is a B wave for something. If this is a B wave, then you need an A wave and a C wave after this B wave. So can we propose that this is your A, because this is a W, X, Y, X, Z, and it took so much time to complete itself, and the MACD growth is so bumpy, not so great compared to this. So this has to be our B wave. So if this is the A, this is the B, and this is the C, then your wave A and C shall be equal in size. Let's say if this is your A, this is your B, and this is your C, And let's make them bigger. Yes, much bigger. Then your A and C shall be equal in size. Let's check for their sizes. And let's put it after the B wave. Are they equal in size? Yes, very similar in size. Exactly similar in size. And guess what? What is my entry into this gym? It's exactly at 118. I was waiting for an impulse. So it gave me the impulse and a correction followed after it. So the bulk of my buys are here. Then I bought it here, I bought it here as well, and here. And using the same patterns, I was short the entire bear market. So this was a pattern I knew, and I was shorting it for 60% correction. So you get the point. Uh, okay. If this is your ABC, so this is a complete structure. This ABC is a complete structure. Uh, do we have a trend line break after this completion of C? Yes, we have. So what shall come next by the rules is that you're likely going to get an impulse to the upside after finishing the wave C, minimum to here. Minimum, that's the minimum. That's what rules says. But what do we have in this move to the upside? Let's check this new move to the upside. We have a very sharp one single move to the upside, followed by an A, B, C. Let's check if this A and C are equal in size. Uh, yes, you see they are equal in size, so we will do the codification. But this was an A, B, C. Let's make it smaller. Hmm. So, and then sharp move, ABC, another very sharp move. I, I got this entire move to the upside and sold it right before the earning call. So, and then I tried to buy it here and here. Uh, if this impulse to the upside is a 1, 2, 3, then what do we have here? I believe by now it's much easier for you. Uh, let's look at the MACD. So the MACD tells us that this is your W, X, Y. You see huge growth in the momentum, much more than your wave first. So W, X, Y, X, which is similar to this X in size, and you have a Z, where your Z and W are also equal in size. And we have divergence here. You see? We have divergence. It means that the momentum is dying. And potentially this correction is complete. But first, let's check if the sizes are correct. Let me do first the codification. So instead of getting an ABC, we got a what? A W, X, Y, X. Where is this? A W, X, Y, X, Z, where your W and Z are equal in size. Let's see if they are. Take it, put it here. Let me take it more precise. Mm, and put it here. Are they equal? You see, they are about to be equal. So overall, I'm long. I just took the long just before the market close. I took the long because I was expecting this to be a Z wave. I believe before mm, got this up move, it was a very short term move to the upside, and we have 69 likes, 69, and the target was here. Let's see if we reach the target. Yes, and we did hit the target. So I believe yeah, I updated people that any consolidation in this area will send us below 190, potentially to 180. So this was it was kind of expecting to me, but now I am bullish. Why? Because this is your first move to the upside. Uh, First move. This is your second move. You'll have a third move. I believe the next move, which is coming, will be very, very sharp because usually the wave third is very sharp and the momentum will be there. And then we might get a four and a fifth. Overall, everything looks bullish to me. This was a pattern which I know and I'm very confident of. That's why I put my own money on it. And if we look at the XPEV, where is XPEV? Yeah, XPing, XPing, yes. So, mm, using the same rules, using the same rules, very easy, very easy. I was expecting this to come down because you have this and this, they are equal in size, and your wave B took much more time than this C and A. Let me do the codification. A, B, C. So if this is an A, B, C, it means it's a B wave for something. And if this is your entire A, B, C, and let me make it bigger, then your wave A, your wave A and C shall be equal in size. You see? And if we take this, all of this, as one, a two, a three, a four, and we will have a five. Will it happen? I believe so. So this is how market is moving all the time. Let's check, like, this is your correction, and this entire move is also your correction. Just a moment, guys. This entire move. Let's check if they are equal in time. They came in time, they consumed. So from here to here, it took 182 days. How about this one? Mm, Yes, till here, how many days? 180 days. So you see, after finishing this move, we should be expecting this to go up. Uh, just a moment, guys. So that was it, people. I hope you liked it. I'm long. I will be adding to my longs. I don't think this will drop to 175. I don't think. we will never going to